Okay, that's enough of that. Whoa.
You ready? Yeah.
Yes! Oh no! Landing! Pull up. Shut it down, shut it down, shut it down. All right, I'm gonna get my camera ready. Okay, here's everybody. Now I'm getting out of the way. And go! Go ahead, Lance. Heads up, spectators. Oh, man down. Oh! Somebody lost the prop. Who got left? Dave? Oh, David's still up. Of course he did. Way to go, David. Yeah, you got on. Good job. Come on. Well, we only had 2 entrants, so. Come on, David. Woo! Don't do this at home. that's enough of that. Whoa. Come on, David. Woo! All right, here we go. David, go the other way. You know. Oh my God! I can't. Oh no! Winner! Woo! All right, bring her in. Hey! Who was it? Who won? The winner? You're the winner?
Yeah.
Congratulations, sir.
Tried to get you.
Yeah, I saw. Woo, yeah.
On behalf of the flight crew, thank you for flying with us and have a pleasant stay.
Go that way, straight out. Straight out. A little bit to the right, maybe straight out. Just fly.
All right. This is gonna be a cluster.
Right,
Somebody
okay,
count
ready?
it down on
1,
2, 3.
2, 3.
I kept you out of trouble, so just watch yourself.
Where's everybody at? Which one's mine?